One of the most widely used features that most messaging systems have added is the mute button, which enables user to effortlessly ignore messages from certain persons without being bothered by them. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to mute chat notifications on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram on your device. Tap on Hamburger menu at the top left of your screen. Tap on Contacts from the panel. Tap the contact you want to mute notification of. Tap on 3 vertical dots on the top right corner. Tap on Mute. Tap on Mute Forever. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to mute chat notifications on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.